In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a simple text into creative logo. So we have this text right here, just a simple text in black font with white background, and we want to change it into something like this or maybe this. So these are all the creative options, or even you can create the videos out of Firefly as well, but that's the later on part. Let's see how we can first create this. First of all, we will use this simple prompt that I will attach with the resources section of this video. So let's try this. Click on generate. Basically, the prompt says dark pink candy floss, fluffy, floating, isolated on a white background. So we have these couple of options. If you don't like the results, you can just click and hit generate, and it will present you with 4 more options, and you can choose any one of them. So let's say I like this one. We can save this, and we can use this as a style reference. So just click on edit and click on use a style reference. That's it, close. And if you want to regenerate results using the image 3, Firefly image 3, it might generate more accurate results. Since this is not a real picture, this is an art picture. So as you can see, it's more rich in colors. So you can use that as reference as well. Click on regenerate, turn it to widescreen, and we have a couple of results here. Let's say that we want to use this one, use as a style reference, and I also want to download this. So let's click on download, all done. After that, we will just go to Canva, click on create, and just write landscape here. Whatever you want to use, whether it's for flyer, poster, whatever, let's use it for the poster. And we can just simply insert a simple text, but since we want to create a logo of the candy floss, make sure that it is thick enough. So the recently used was this one. This is the font that you will find in these font combinations, the predefined font combinations, but make sure we remove all the styles. Just go to the effects, click on none, just go to the text color and change it to black. And let's write floss, C floss. That's our brand name, C floss. Okay, that's done. Click on share. We want to download this, and let's download it as JPEG file, download. And let's go to Firefly. What we will now do is we just make sure that we change this view to widescreen. Visual intensity, we will keep it as it is for now. Composition, whatever you want to compose or make, you will select that as a reference. So whatever we want to make, in this case, we want to use this as the reference. Strength should be kept to minimum for this composition, but for style, we will select the reference. So let's say I like this one as a reference. Just click on edit and click on use as style reference, and you will notice that the picture should be selected here. If not, you can add it manually and select any reference. Okay, one thing needs to be changed. The composition strength should be kept to maximum, while the style strength should be kept to minimum. If we scroll down, we just use the themes filter in the effects option and make this hyper realistic. That's it. Click on generate to see our first results. Okay, so we can see that it looks good, but it can be improved. So if you want to generate some more options, just click on generate again, and it will generate a couple of more options for you. So these are all the options. So just remember that whenever you want to make this, in the composition, the strength should be kept to maximum, while in the style, the strength could be in the middle or on a lower side. Let's increase the visual intensity to maximum, and let's increase the style reference to middle. Let's click on generate, and these are the results. So whatever you like, let's say I like this one, or let's say this one, we can upscale all of this. Just click on upscale because the quality is too low. And now you can see the quality. We can download this to see the results. And as you can see, the quality is quite nice. Similarly, let's use this. It's also upscaled. Click on download, and this is how it looks. Pretty awesome, right? So we can try different changes. This time, let's do it for image 4. Click on generate again. And it's not able to work in image 4. So let's turn back to image 3. Or otherwise, let's try it on image 4 and art. So as you can see, the results are not as good as in image 3. So whatever you like, if you want to refine it further, let's say I click on generate. Okay, one more thing is, let's say that we want to turn it into a studio background. So white background can be easily changed to studio background, and let's make it a pink candy floss tube. And even let's try a different font. Let's try a simple font. So this one is our brand name, CFloss. Let's write it in style. Let's click on share, download as a JPEG file. Now open. Okay, we will use this as a reference. Let's quickly change the reference. Let's use this. Composition reference strength should be 100, and the style reference, I can keep it to lower end or in the middle. Let's click on regenerate, and you will get some more amazing results that you can use. So let's say I want to use any one of them, or even if you don't like any of them, you can just click regenerate and it will generate a couple of more options. So let's say we want to use any one of them, let's say this one, but these all are not in good quality. So just click on upscale all, and now the quality looks something like this. The results are totally changed with quality. So let's say we want to use this one, click on download and check this out. The quality is amazing. And that's how you can make creative logos using Adobe Firefly. Just try this by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.